Hello, my friends. Welcome back. It is Saturday, May 2nd, 2020. This is 2020. I am the drunk pokeroo, and it is beer time. Barleywine time. Bourbon barrel-aged barleywine from our friends at Cameron's Brewing. Why the hell not? If ever a day called for barleywine, it's today. 11.8% of alcohol, maple syrup, and coffee. Yes. I've been drinking Cameron's beer since the barley man carried the stuff on his shoulder and was not the cartooned man that you see today. He was a much different man, but made the same great beer. Barleywine! Barleywine! Bourbon, maple, coffee. Cheers. What sweet ambrosia of the gods this is. This is beautiful, beautiful barley wine. Oaky bourbon gives it a wild kick, while the maple syrup delivers nothing but sweetness and kindness to the soul. Coffee lingers the back of the throat with a warming sensation that delivers what barley wine promises each and every time. From Cameron's to my hand throweth the torch of barley wine. You too can have this in your glass. Seek the websites of Cameron's, for they have the golden power of early bird barley wine. Bourbon barrel-aged. Indeed, tonight is off to a wicked start. Cheers, my friends, and salutations from Barleywine and the drunk pokeroo to you. Delicious barley wine.